name's Scott Dunn, and I'm one of the trainers for the Certified Facilitator class. You're looking through trying to make a decision of what class works for you. I know part of that is what day and time works for you. We have lots of options for that as well. But also, if you're going to invest that time, are you going to get the most out of it that you can? So let me share a few things that I hear all the time from the students in our class and tell you a little bit about myself. Number one, you want it to have real stories. So I would ask you in this case, have you ever been in a meeting that was boring and ineffective? If so, this class is for you. How do you get engagement of the people? Having worked with thousands of developers, Scrum Masters, I've been in the space in IT for going on 18 years, 17 years of experience leading the transformations. I'm a certified enterprise coach and a certified Scrum trainer, and there's only 80 or 100 of those. Those experiences, those stories really, really matter. I come in from the relational side, so I know I've worked with just dozens and dozens of teams. I was a Scrum Master for over 3 years. And introverts or extroverts, what would you guess? Lots of times what we're dealing with engineers and testers, introverts. So how do you get them to talk? And I hear all the time, right? The retrospective's quiet, the daily Scrum isn't going well. So how do we get them engaged and talking? We won't want this bias that we bring in there. So real stories about what we can do on that. And that's the second thing, is keep it practical. In the end, if you don't walk out with real help that you can change things next week, what are we missing, right? Because there's things we can apply for the teams, there's things we can apply for ourselves individuals. We grow. As a coach, myself, always looking for how we grow ourselves. And I run a business where I have coaches. I've worked with over a dozen coaches who reported to me. And the things that we learn from working with them, there's a lot that we learn from them. So we keep it practical to help you, almost like a coach in your pocket. We also, in terms of practical help, we have alumni sessions where you get to join with other people who have gone through the classes, including coaches, Scrum Masters, people in management positions of all sorts, who are sharing stories, asking questions, learning, and we bring in guest speakers, etc. So I think there's a lot of practical help as well. And then last, what we hear a lot is fun. Are you going to have fun in the class? Well, you can't have it all. Well, actually, I hope that you do have fun. I love what I do. I feel like I bring a lot of energy and engagement there. So I think you would have fun too. And besides that, the things that you want to learn, you're going to learn about, if you look at the learning objectives, how do you deal with conflict? How do you bring in a structure into these large meetings when the stakes are high? So real in the trenches work that we've done, templates that we use, the practices, the structures, etc., the types of questions, the types of icebreakers, introverts, extroverts, all this good stuff mixed up in there, because in the end, facilitation is trying to make it facile, French, easy, trying to make the meetings easy to get the real results that we need. Better ideas, decisions made, moving things forward instead of these meetings where we just, oh my gosh, kick the can down the road, one person doesn't agree, how do you know? Bob's just like that, whatever that is. So anyhow, been there, done that. Lots of things I think you can take away as interesting help. And I hope that's a good starting point. Feel free to come to our website, look for more information, or follow up with the e-learning course and just take a sample of this and see what you think. So thanks for watching this video. Good luck on your journey and hope to see you in class.